Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am playing, oh my gosh, Ike's a murderer. We're playing murder mystery. Flee the facility. Flee the facility. We're in the water. The heck? No, why sisters? Why? I saw. Oh, we found a computer. We might mess up. Chicken wing, chicken macaroni. I know. Chicken wing, chicken macaroni, chicken. No, Mama! Kayla, we have to hide. Stop copying my mama. Ike, I love you. I love you, so please. The heck? How?
No one can kill me now.
Aki be like, are you sure, boy? Are you sure?
Oh, I'm at the roof. I'm at the roof.
I might die one day.
Win anything, and I can go through anything.
Ike, so guys, you see this? Ike is like the best right here. So, and she's so much better hacking than us. Not like us. Yes, finally. I love you.
I'm gonna follow you because I'm scared.
I got scared of you. Ike is near! Ike is here! Where is she? Oh, she's captured! Not Kayla. We have to save her.
Taylor's stupid.
Oh, I got it. Why am I keep getting stuck? Stop getting me stuck! Okay, we have to save her. We have to save her.
I don't want to go. I have no mercy.
I'm just gonna save. I'll save you.
I'm scared. You're
Oh.
gonna save me. Guys, remember the other time when Taylor didn't save you and just left you there with Topisha? Well, do the same.
Yeah, just do the same. I'm just kidding. I'll come and save you, Kayla.
I can't. I'm about to die.
I can't find you. Say your last goodbye to me. Bye-bye. Okay, she's dead.
Taylor, if you're the beast next time, kill Teresa for nothing.
I can't find you.
Because you're blind with your tiny little eye.
Stop calling me tiny eye girl.
You look like a fish.
Oh my gosh. Are my eyes that tiny? Frick.
Yeah, maybe.
Frick.
Everyone's gonna call you tiny fish eye.
Up. Just up. Just up. Just up. You're gonna kill me, Ike.
Nelson's still alive.
I don't know.
I was stuck in a place and then I fall off the world and I'm still alive.
What the heck?
Now I responded back.
Frick, Ike's so gonna kill me. Save me, dude. Save me.
Sorry, no.
No, I'm not talking to you.
First, I'm gonna kill Teresa, and then later I'm gonna kill Nelson, and then later I'm gonna
Frick.
kill
Frick.
Ike, and then the.
Frick! I love you, baby! I'm a statue.
No!
Frick, 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 frick. Chicken wing, macaroni and cheese. Chicken wing, macaroni and cheese. Nelson, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Mama!
Aki cannot kill me like this. Ooh, I thought Aki cannot kill me like here. I have to find you know what? I'm gonna rage quit if you keep doing that.
Holy frick! Mama. Great, I died. Like how I look. Mama, 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 Nelson, I love you. I'm dead. Ike, I love you. Please just free me. Oh, yes, I love this snowman dude. Mama, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sorry about my sister. She's really annoying.
No, kind of.
What language was your sister speaking?
Como se así? Sí.
Something? Japanese?
Frick. Hello, Fricka. Hello, your new name is Fricka. Fricka?
But I killed you though. How did you get away?
I don't know. Cause I'm a genius. Hey, sisters. Hey. Rude. Road. A road. A road. A road. One computer left. I came. I love you and I'll miss you. But not anymore. Cause you try to kill me.
Found the last computer.
Also me. So close.
The last computer.
So close. Hey. Teresa wins. Teresa the troop wins. Oh frick. I love you, me. I'm on your la baby. La 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 la. I have to find an I have to find an exit.
Guys, how do we get coins?
I don't know.
How many?
Yes! Let's go! Snowman dude. You didn't got me. Look at Ike. Look at the snowman dude. Marry me, snowman dude. You saved my life. Mwah.
I rage quit.
Why do you keep rage quitting? It's just a game, bish.
You cried once in the game.
No.
No, I didn't.
I did nothing.
How's that?
I did nothing.
Oh, wait, give it. You showed me your secret place.
I love you, baby. Baby.
After we're gonna do like a Halloween morning routine, like three sisters
Yes, sisters. My butt. Oh, not again. I keep getting this messages. I'm a sin.
Subscribe to Teresa Tube. She will show you all and eat your food if you subscribe to her. So don't subscribe.
No!
Subscribe to me. I'll give you free Robux if you subscribe to me.
Don't subscribe to her because she's a liar.
I can't. Teresa,
Where are you?
I'm here. Up here. Oh, wait, what? Here. Why did you fall?
I fall.
Okay.
Oh
Thanks
no.
for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the post notification button to get notified when Teresa posts another video. So thank y'all for watching and like, subscribe, and bye guys and bye subscribers. Bye.
Okay. Well, it's my YouTube channel, so let me just. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you would know whenever I post this video, whenever I post a video. So yeah, and also go and subscribe to Ike and Kayla, IkeTube and Kayla too. Go and subscribe to them because they are amazing. And yeah, stay awesome, stay sweet. Don't. Oh my gosh. Stay awesome, stay sweet. Don't bully people and stay safe from Corona. Bye, guys.